My name is Adriaan Strauss. I am married. We've got 3 children. The reason why I ended up there by Dr. Rammutla was I had these terrible headaches and it carried on and on and on. Then I went to go and see my GP and he prescribed me painkillers. But in the meantime, I picked up that I don't see traffic on my right hand side and I don't drive in my lane. I always moving over to the other lane. And that is the time when I decided now the painkillers doesn't work, I'll have to go and see optometrist. So I went there and the lady checked my eyes, but I could see on body language something is not right here. At the optometrist, that lady referred me to a neurosurgeon. I went there, I went for a CAT scan and an MRI. Went back to her and then she referred me to Dr. Rammutla. And then I went to see Dr. Rammutla and he gave me the unpleasant news that I got 2 tumors in my brain. So after that, I had an audience with Dr. Rammutla and he said there's no other option because these 2 tumors affects my eyesight. It presses on the brain and that is effect on my eyesight. And he had to operate. And then in July last year, I went for the op. The first time I went to the doctor's surgery, it was very traumatic for us as a family because of this diagnosis now. But getting there, interact with the staff, how helpful they are, and after that speaking to Dr. Rammutla, seeing the confidence he has, and that put me at ease. And it's only the morning when I was admitted now for surgery that it really got me, Ati, where are you going now? You're going now for operation, brain operation. But after that, when I got out of theater, I recognized my family. And that was my main concern. Would I be able to recognize my family? But looking up, I saw her first. And I asked her, where's your mom? After that, I was discharged. I spent 6 weeks at home, going back to Dr. Rammutla to beg him, please, can't I go back to work? He said, are you feeling all right? I said, yes, I'm feeling all right. Okay, they said it's okay, I can go back to work, but in the meantime, they gave me a packet of pain tablets. And I asked the sister, no, what is this for? She says, for pain. I said, but I don't have pain. So of all those tablets that they gave me, I used 2 painkillers, that's it. Dr. Rammutla asked me to come back in March so that we can do another MRI so they can see if the tumors are cleared. But when I walked into Dr. Rammutla's surgery, I could see something is not right. Then he said to me, sorry, Mr. Strauss, the tumor is back. I was very disappointed, but I could see on his face also he was very disappointed. I found him professional, friendly, but also a person that can put you at ease same time. The manner he approaches you and then showing you the MRI, going through it with you, and then mark where the problem is so that you can, in your language, so you can also understand what he's trying to tell you. And I found that comfortable, you know. My wife was also impressed with the way he relayed the message. And a serious thing like that, you know. Then we heard about this doctor here in Benoni. And Dr. Rammutla referred me to them. I went there, then they looked at me and they said, Mr. Strauss, there's a new treatment on the market. It's called Gamma Knife. Went to Dr. Person Vereniging, took my MRI and X-rays with. He looked at it and he said, Mr. Strauss, you know what, there won't be necessary for operation. I said, that is good news. He said, what I call it is Gamma Knife. You go into the tunnel, you spend there between 45 and 70 minutes, you come out, you relax a little bit, and then you can go home. I went for it. Dr. Rammutla assisted Dr. Person. I felt at ease. Just his presence there with Dr. Person, which I only met now this one time now, with this procedure. Put me also at ease, and the way he approaches his patients in that professionally humane way, that already puts a person at ease, because there's somebody here that really cares about you. They did the procedure. I was there for half a day. I went home and I'm fine. I went back for an eye test. My eyesight is now, you can say, 100%. I do not have those headaches anymore that I used to have. And it changed my life because I'm off those terrible pain tablets. I don't use them anymore. I'm back to my normal medication for high blood pressure. That's it. If anyone is in this position that I was in after these two interactions with Dr. Rammutla, I can, with the greatest respect, says, do not panic. Go and see Dr. Rammutla. He's very professional. He will explain to you the pros and the cons if you must undergo an operation. His staff is very helpful and they will take you all the way the extra mile. My message to Dr. Rammutla would be, thank you, doctor. You put my life back on track again. Before I met you, I was scared, undergoing this operation, especially at my age. But as I sit here today, I have no side effects, I have no after effects after I've seen that list, what can happen to a patient that underwent the surgery. I got nothing of that. Now I'm back to normal. I only use that one high blood pressure tablet that I've been using for the last 10, 12 years, and my eyesight is back. My health is number one. I go to my GP twice a year for a checkup and everything is normal. Back to normal at home, no problems. Grandson is very happy, hope he's healthy.